Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Home is Where Our Heart Is.
My name is Dane.
And I'm Stelly.
We're the proud authors of the book
Knowledge to Forage.
Today we're going to teach you how to make
some Parma Violets, homemade Parma Violets made with real wild flowers.
Yeah, you see all these beautiful sweet violets growing wildly behind us? We're going to teach you how to make them into
these
Parma
yummy
Violets.
Sweets. All you need for this recipe is some icing sugar and some sweet violets.
So firstly, before we make our Parma Violets, we need to learn how to identify sweet violets. Now, these flowers, of course, they're a violet colour. They smell beautiful. They have 5 petals, and the bottom petal pokes out over the bottom ones like a poking out tongue. And secondly, their leaves, if you look at these leaves, are shaped like the symbol of a heart.
Step 1, we're going to make ourselves a wild and free sweet violet tea. So we're going to collect about 10 to 15 flowers. Let's be mindful of the birds and the bees. We only want to pick our wildflowers from abundant patches like this, so there's always enough for the little insects that want them.
Step 2, add boiling water and leave to infuse for about 5 to 10 minutes until your tea becomes perfumey and blue. Sweet violet tea, look how beautiful and blue it is. Packed full of antioxidants, and it's a natural sleep aid, really calming for anxiety. If you want to learn more about sweet violets, then check out our other sweet violet video.
Step 3, welcome to my office. We're going to measure out the icing sugar, so any mug you like, all the way to the top. 1 mug of icing sugar. Pop your icing sugar into a sieve and sieve through half of your icing sugar. Collect yourself about 20 more sweet violets and then leave the green bits out. Ooh. There we go. Because they taste a bit bitter. And chuck your petals in. The tea's been stewing for quite a while now, so it's not boiling anymore in there. So I'm going to fish out the flowers and I'm going to squeeze their juice onto my tablespoon. Yeah, look at that purple juice coming out. It's a great way to make a little natural colour. So you kind of have to give them a good squish to get the colour out. Lovely. I'm just going to pour that into our mix. So when you're stirring, you're just gently adding in a little bit more icing sugar as you go. Gently building up, and I'm going to turn this into a nice paste. Mix in some of the petals. So you can see it's getting thicker and thicker and thicker. We keep mixing until we get a kind of soft Play-Doh consistency. It's got to be soft enough for us to be able to roll it out and turn it into sweets. check it out, a giant Parma Violet. How cool is that? Look at it. So now we're gonna put a little bit of icing sugar on our board. This will just stop it from sticking. We don't want our sweets to get stuck to the wood. There we go. Pop that on there. You could just use your hand and give it a good squash. If you don't have a rolling pin, or you could use a rolling pin. Give it a little roll. Treat it careful. With love. This is great. Little love heart cutter outer. Doop. Lovely. Oh yeah. Cheers. So you can either boil up some more violets, do the whole process again and make some more Parma Violets, or pop the rest of your icing sugar back in the bag for another day. So there we have it. It's Parma Violets made from real sweet violets.
Look how beautiful and lilac they are.
Do you want to try one?
Lilac purple, violet purple.
So we're just going to leave these to air dry overnight and they're going to get rock solid, just like the cool retro sweets that we're used to.
Oh, they have a lovely floral hint of violets.
Beautiful
Delicious.
violets.
And they're great. You can just eat them like sweets, give them out as gifts, chuck one in a cup of tea.
Lovely.
Use them instead of sugar cubes.
Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Really
As
appreciate
always,
it.
It's been a pleasure. Don't forget to grab a copy of our book, Knowledge to Forage. It was awesome.
Knowledge to Forage. It's got loads of information there on the violets and loads of other wild edibles that you can have a forage and get yourself out in nature to look at.
Yep, get out in that fresh air, enjoy it, enjoy the sweet violets. Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, ring that bell and then
Yep.
you'll hear all about us next week when another video comes up.
Yeah, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Yes, all those modern world things. Share this video far and wide
Yeah.
so lots of other people can make some Parma Violets too.
And most important of all, take care of yourselves.
Peace.